Get your laughing gear and homemade Aussie bacon perfect for the next camping trip. I'm Johnny Cooked Austin from Aussie Q Barbecue. Today I'm going to run you through how to make your own bacon from the curing process right through to the end process where we can slice it ready to go. The beautiful thing about bacon is you can vax it, it holds really well for camping, and you can make my maple bacon pancakes. Right, so you just need a pork belly and some Macon Bacon Cure. Completely up to you. You can remove the rind or just do a cross hatch like I'm about to, and then you can dry it out and turn it into like chicharrones or something like that, or you can also crackle. So I'm just going to slice across that way, 90 degrees, and then just run it back through the other way. Now you can just use the quantity that's listed on the website, but I basically go for a 1 kilo piece of belly so it's nice even coverage over all sides. And obviously pat, don't rub. Save that for the bedroom. Right, now just bang it into a Ziploc bag or a vac seal bag. Simple as that. We now have Pepper the Pig ready. Bang this into the fridge for a week, and once a day you're just going to flip it. That simple, just get a nice even coverage. That is it. Putting on my best Squidward voice, 7 days later. Right, so Pepper the Pig has been cured for a week now. We're going to remove it from either your Ziploc or your vac seal like I've used now. And then we're just going to remove all the cure that we've applied. Now, key point is here, very low pressure water. We don't need that splashing all over the kitchen. Now with hot water and detergent, clean out your sink. Let's go season this up before we start cooking. Now this step's optional, but I'm using a lower sugar and sodium rub, healthier. I'm just going to go for a very, very light dusting, nothing too crazy. And if you're going to eat all sides, seasonal sides. Now you can bang that into your oven or to your smoker, whatever you choose, but I'm going with smoker because I want the ultimate flavour. There's nothing like maple smoked bacon pancakes. I'm smoking on the little camping Weber today. Just going to have a couple of natural fire lighters. I'm using a whiskey barrel stave. Like I said, remember you can go into the oven, same sort of principles. So we're going to light this up and we'll come back in about 10 minutes. Right, as you can see, the charcoal's now lit, or if you're in the oven, just you have it preheated to around about 120 Celsius, about 250 Fahrenheit. Just moved up the smoking wood now just to butt against it. We only want a light smoke. Stainless steel grate on top. Now we'll go get that belly and let's smoke her up. In addition to the cooker that you're going to use, there's also two methods. There's cold smoking, hot smoking. Out of all the hundreds and hundreds of batches of bacon I've done, I much prefer the hot smoking method. I take the internal up to about 65 Celsius, about 150 Fahrenheit. I actually like to render a bit of the fat out, in particular when doing belly bacon or streaky bacon. Right, this has been preheating for about 10 minutes. We're just going to bung the bacon straight over the tray. That will catch all the drippings, just make it easy to clean. Now, if you're using a small smoker like myself, just rotate it about halfway through. If it's a big oven smoker, you probably shouldn't have to worry about it. Righto, you've now smoked it, you've baked it into the oven. You're sitting there at 150 Fahrenheit, 65 Celsius internal. Up to you now, you can vac seal it, bang it into a Ziploc bag, into the fridge until you need it. I'm going to slice some of it up because I'm going to fry it up now. Then I'm going to vac seal the rest. I'm even going to put a portion away for the next camping trip. That's going to get vac sealed. That's going to be camping to make those famous pancakes. I'm going to slice some off. I'm going to fry that up right now. Ready to go. That will last a good couple of weeks in the fridge. No dramas, or months even in the freezer. Now, if you're not cooking over charcoal, always preferred methods, go straight into a cold pan. That will also help render out the fat. Let that rip for a few minutes each side until you get a nice, beautiful caramelization ready to go. It's red wine season, why not? Right, I reckon it's time to flip them over. Cop a lot of that. Oh my God, I can't wait to drill this. All right, let's give this red hot shot. Bang it down my neck hole. It honestly doesn't get much better than that. You really have to give that a red hot shot. If you haven't seen it before, check out my maple bacon pancakes on my camping video. It's absolutely cracking. You can probably have a look at it up there. Look, if you like what you see, feel free to hit the notification bell. You know, do all that usual sort of stuff. We'd be bloody great appreciated. Righto, you make sure you bang it in.